Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really easy motion blur video background on CapCut. So select your video and scroll to the very right and select motion blur and adjust your blur like this. So you want around 75-ish, and the blend you want it to be around 65 as well. Maybe up the blur just a little bit, so 79. Select the times 4 times and just choose both as a direction and press the check mark button and wait for the app to apply the motion blur like so. And once it's done applying, you're going to add in an overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay. And I'm just going to adjust it, and then I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select remove background, and I'm going to kind of move it to the left and kind of resize it to be smaller. It's better if there's not any more people in the background, so like she's kind of the center of it, but you can like kind of delete it with the mask button. So if you press mask and choose the rectangle, you can kind of remove them, but like not like a lot. And then I'm just going to put her to the side, but if it's kind of better if it's not to the side and she's actually in the middle. But because the video is of her in the middle, I'm just going to put her off to the side, like as a frame kind of. You don't have to add this, but if you want to, you can. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!